All right, so we're going to go over how to update these images for our folks in the company. Where I want to start is with this image from this gentleman here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to remove his background. And we do that with a site called Remove.bg. We can take this image and we can drag it up here. And it's going to show us how it's cut the background out. Now, if you pay for it, if you buy some credits, you can download larger versions of this, which is what I've done. Or you can download this 500 by 500, but the bigger the image, the better in terms of the quality. So I've already downloaded that image. Now I'm going to go over to this Figma file here, and here we have a bunch of background designs, and here they all are here, and they all have different backgrounds. I'm going to go and grab the image that we downloaded and drag it into Figma like this. And I'm going to pop this and drag this into this frame, and you can see that when it's out there like that, that's the image right there. And then I'm going to drag it into this frame like that. And then I'm going to size it up here to get kind of in between those lines like that. And then so you can see this is selected with this image selected. I'm going to go here, I'm going to take the saturation down, and that makes it black and white. And I'm going to take up this exposure on this particular one just to match the others a little bit better. So a little bit of exposure there. And then close that. And now when I click on the frame, you can see that selected here. We want to go down here and we want to export this as a JPEG. Sometimes you may see it as a PNG, but JPEG is going to be a smaller file. And so I'm going to export that file and save that. Once I've saved that file, I'm going to optimize this image and optimize that down by 79%. So that's what we have there. Now over here, I'm going to go to, and I'm going to take one of our existing ones, and I'm going to click on that gear, and we're going to duplicate this. There it is in draft mode. So I'm going to remove that image, put in our new image like so, and then we'll just do this as a test here. Now I'm going to change the status from draft temporarily to publish so we can see how it looks. And if I hit save, there we go, that's our new one, and we can just change the information as we need to. And that's it. And change that content. Right now I'll go back here and change the status here to draft and save. But that's it. That's how we update those profiles and turn them on and off if we need to, and remove those backgrounds.